Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Western vocal music. First, let's lay a strong foundation for your singing journey. Begin by understanding basic music theory, like scales and intervals. Focus on developing proper breathing techniques, using your diaphragm for support. Good posture is also crucial for vocal health and projection. Finally, identify your unique vocal range and type to choose suitable songs. Once you have the basics, it's time to refine your vocal techniques. Practice scales and arpeggios daily to improve agility and pitch accuracy. Work diligently on intonation, ensuring each note is perfectly in tune. Explore your different vocal registers, from chest voice to head voice, to expand your range. Recording yourself is a fantastic way to track progress and identify areas for improvement. Now, let's build your repertoire and prepare for performance. Select songs that truly suit your vocal range and style, allowing you to shine. Learn to interpret the lyrics and emotions of each piece, connecting with the music on a deeper level. Practice performing in front of friends or family to build confidence. Always seek constructive feedback to help you grow as a singer. To continue your advanced vocal growth, consider working with a qualified vocal coach. They can provide personalized guidance and help you overcome specific challenges. Explore various musical genres to broaden your horizons and discover new styles. Remember to maintain excellent vocal health through hydration and rest. Joining a choir or musical group can also offer valuable experience and camaraderie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.